If you're planning to buy a new tablet anytime soon, or if you're still holding on to an older base model iPad, you need to stop scrolling and listen very closely. Apple is currently preparing one of the most strategic and heavily requested overhauls for their most popular device. And the details leaking out of the supply chain are completely staggering. For years, the entry-level iPad has been treated as the safe, basic, budget-friendly option. Good for streaming videos, casual web browsing, and letting kids play games, but fundamentally limited when it comes to raw power. That era is officially coming to an end. Apple has completely restructured the roadmap for the upcoming iPad 12th generation, and what they are packing into this affordable chassis is going to completely disrupt the entire tablet market. Today, we are exposing the massive timeline shifts, the surprising choice of silicon, the mandatory hardware upgrades required for Apple Intelligence, and why waiting for this specific release will save you from buying an obsolete device. Let us address the elephant in the room first, and that is the timeline, because the launch schedule has completely shifted. If you were tracking the traditional spring release windows that Apple has historically used for its base iPads, you already know that window came and went with absolute silence. Industry insiders and supply chain analysts initially pointed to a late 2026 drop, but fresh reports from top-tier insiders like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman have confirmed a major strategic delay. Apple has officially slated the release of the iPad 12th generation for early 2027. Why the holdup? It is not because of a manufacturing failure or a lack of components. The delay is entirely strategic, tied directly to the massive rollout of Apple Intelligence and the final tuning of iPadOS software. Apple refused to push out a new entry-level tablet until their next-generation artificial intelligence infrastructure was completely stable, fully optimized, and ready to run seamlessly on lower-tier hardware. Mac rumors. This brings us to the most monumental upgrade coming to the iPad 12, the processor. If you look at the previous generation, it relied on older chipsets that kept the price down but locked the device out of Apple's modern feature set. Leaks from major accessory manufacturers and supply chain sources indicate that the iPad 12 is making a massive generational leap, adopting either the powerhouse A18 or the cutting-edge A19 class chip. Let that sink in. Apple is bringing flagship-level smartphone silicon straight down to its most affordable tablet. This is not just a minor speed bump for launching apps a split-second faster. This processor architecture is explicitly designed to turn a budget-friendly media consumption device into a high-performance multitasking machine. Mac rumors. And that raw processing power is directly tied to the single most important requirement for modern Apple hardware: memory. For years, base iPads have scraped by with lower RAM configurations that restricted heavy background tasks. To support the full suite of Apple Intelligence features, including advanced on-device image generation, live translation, complex photo editing, and the heavily revamped conversational Siri, Apple is upgrading the iPad 12 to 8 GB of RAM. This is a massive 33% increase in memory capacity compared to previous models. What does this mean for you in practical, everyday use? It means you can have dozens of heavy Safari tabs open, split-screen applications running simultaneously, and background rendering happening without the tablet ever stuttering,